I've been asked this question at least once per week, if not more, ever since Apple released the MacBook Pros with the M1 silicon chip in it. Let's say you are issued an M1 MacBook Pro for work as a front-end developer or as a back-end developer, and you're trying to set up your development environment on your Mac, and you get an error that says like something to the effect that TSC Command cannot be found if you're trying to install TypeScript and the TypeScript compiler, or if you're trying to set up oh-my-zh with the power level 10K for your iTerm terminal, and you get the error on line 1. It says can update not a Git repository. Or if you are trying to do something else, and in terms of setting up your backend dev environment with C or something that has a dependency on C, and you get this type of error where it says xcode blah blah blah, the issue could be as trivial as opening up Xcode and agreeing to the latest license agreement. Here's the deal. On the Mac, if the Xcode command line license agreement has been updated through the various version of its operating system, for example, going from Catalina to Ventura, let's say, then it needs to be accepted. Any tool that has dependencies on Xcode can fail. If that is the case, for example, the get command to install oh-my-zh power level 10K, the get command will not work. Okay. Again, to solve this issue, open up Xcode and agree to the license agreement. If you have a very old version of Xcode, then you can install one of two ways. Install Xcode in one of two ways. Go to software system update in here and update software in there, or you can just, if you have an Apple ID account, you can just go to, you can sign in and download Xcode from here. If you need additional tool, you can install that as well for your appropriate version at the time that you watch this. You will definitely need the command line tools for Xcode, again, for the appropriate version number when you watch this in the future. Hello, future self. And that's pretty much it. Let's see, what else do I need to tell you? Yeah, so if you don't agree to the terms of the license, or you don't have the latest command line tool for Xcode, then and you Google search and they tell you to run these commands in the command line. These commands would not work, okay, until you agree to the license agreement for Xcode, and obviously update to the latest version, the updated general release version. Okay, all right. I'm not sure what to call this video. For now, I think I'll just call it Xcode is the root of all problems. If you can think of a better name, let me know in the comments, and the winner will get my everlasting love and admiration. Okay, so if you are a subscriber, thank you very much for being a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. It costs absolutely nothing. It'll help me grow the channel. Thank you so much. Bye for now.